Yes, this State Farm? Yes, I don't know what happened to my car. Yeah, it's a crack. Oh my God. I think somebody threw rocks at it. What the hell happened to my car? Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Yo, you asked for me? What happened? Yo, man, look at your car. This is a Haitian car. What happened to your car, my lady?
Look at it. Look at everything.
I'm sorry, we cannot fix this.
Y'all have to fix something.
We cannot fix that. I'm sorry. Are you Haitian?
No?
Yeah, get out. Can you wish me back? I need to go back.
You have to fix this.
That's a broken window. Take it to the auto zone and fix that. $20.
And look at this. Look at it.
This is a nice car. You put some Lil Masqueti on that. Lil Masqueti is for everything. You put it on your car, you can put it on your kids, you can put it on anything. It's like a shame. Wow. Lil Masqueti is the best. Good, brand new. Don't need no help, baby. That's it.
Fix it.
You want me to fix it? Hold that, please.